Let me hope that you are doing well. Today, we are going to look at shapes. You can say it again, shapes. There are many shapes around us. When you look at objects that are in our classrooms, the objects that we have at home, and objects that are everywhere, they come in different shapes. So that's why it is important for us to know the shapes. Okay, so we are going to look at different types of shapes. Okay, now we begin with circle. Circle. So this is how a circle looks like. We call this a circle. Now, let us look at some objects that are in a circle form.
Shapes.
Okay, look at this clock. When you look at it, you will see that it is in form of a circle. Okay, look at this cross section of an orange. You can see that we can see a circle. Okay, look at this bicycle. Look at the wheels. Okay, you'll see that we can see a circle, and even here we can see a circle. All right, look at this plate. You can see that it is in form of a circle. Look at this pizza. You see that it is in a circular form. Okay, so these are some of the objects that are in a circular form. So we call this a circle. All right, let's look at number 2. Quadrilateral. 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 So, student, when we talk about the quadrilateral, we are looking at a shape with 4 sides. So, this is what we call a quadrilateral. Any shape with 4 sides, we call it a quadrilateral. Okay, now let's look at some objects that are in a quadrilateral form. Okay, look at this door. You can see that it is in a quadrilateral form. Okay, look at this computer monitor. When you look at it, you will see that it is in
Shapes.
a quadrilateral form. Okay, look at its screen. It is in a quadrilateral form. Okay, look at this. Even here we can see a quadrilateral. Even this side there is a quadrilateral, even on top. Okay, look at this. We also can see a quadrilateral, 4 sides. Okay, so this is called a quadrilateral. It has got 4 sides. Okay, now this is called a triangle. Triangle. A triangle has got 3 sides and 3 corners. Okay, Let us look at some objects that are in a triangular form. Okay, look at this sandwich. When you look at it, you will see that here we can see like a triangle. Okay, look at this road sign. You'll see that also we can see a triangle. Okay, look at this basket. You can see that on top of it there is like a triangle. See? Okay, look at this piece of pizza. Also, we can see that it is in a triangle form. Okay, so this, we call it a triangle. Very good. I hope you can understand this. Now, we look at ellipse. 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 All right, so when you look at these objects, you can see like this is a mirror. And we can see that it is in an ellipse form. Okay. Look at this. Also, we can see that this is an ellipse. When we look at this balloon, you will see that you can see like an ellipse when you just take a front view of it. Look at this. Also, you will see that it is like an oval. Look at this lemon. You see that it has also an ellipse form. Okay, look at this watermelon. Also, it is in an ellipse form. Look at this necklace. Look at this rugby ball. Okay, so this is what we call ellipse. Ellipse. All right. Okay. Now we will do a hands-on activity. So what I want you to do, get objects that come in these shapes and record a video of yourself naming the shapes of your objects. Okay? I want you to look around your house at home. Get some objects that are in your house. Then you tell mommy, or you can tell daddy, or you can tell your brother or your sister to record a video when you are naming these objects. You can name like which shape can you see in that object. Okay, for example, you can see, you can get like an egg, and then you can show around it that this is in form of an ellipse. Okay, okay, you can get like a biscuit or anything that is in form of a circle. It can be like a plate, anything, maybe like a cup, anything that you see that is in a circular form. The same applies to a triangle. The same applies to a quadrilateral. You can get like the window, you know, and you show the sides that can make it a quadrilateral. Okay, all right, so that is activity number 1. You record the video and you will send it to me. All right, now let us do our exercise. Okay, now I want you to get your book and open page You can open page 119. 119. Okay, so match the shapes. Match the shapes. We have names: circle, quadrilateral, ellipse, and triangle. We have this side the outline of shapes, and here we have got the shapes that are colored. Okay, so I'll do one for you and you can answer the rest. Okay, you can see that this is a circle and this is a circle. So now you can show the quadrilaterals, the ellipses, and the triangles. Okay, now go to page 120. Page 120. Okay.
Shapes.
So, trace and name the shapes. Trace and name the shapes. So, you trace the shape. Okay. Trace the shape. After that, you write its name. I will do A for you and you answer B, C, D, E, and A. Okay, so for part A, we can see that this is a quadrilateral. Okay, this is a quadrilateral. So what about this? You can answer and complete it. This is an finish. This is a right and finish. This is a you can write and finish, and this is a write your answer. And what about this? This is a complete and finish. Okay. Yes, you see for part D, for instance, if you trace around here, you see, like this, you see that this is a circle. Okay, so I think now everything is okay. You can answer part B, C, D, and yes, D I finished, so you can answer E and F.